Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Just a minute. I'm just getting this. 1 second. Hello. Am I audible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. There are only 70 students here. We'll wait for all your classmates to join in. Okay, for another 2 minutes, and then we'll start the class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Until then,
Hmm. Yes, Anju.
ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Tell
We
me.
first started with our classes yesterday, so this is going to be our first Spanish class. So could you
Hmm.
just revise what had been done earlier so that we're comfortable?
Okay, Anjul, last class we had done greetings and farewell. How to bid farewell to somebody and what are the expressions that you use for greetings. There is a presentation that you will find on the MS Teams which I had already uploaded. Okay, for today's class, go through that presentation because there's English and Spanish both is written. Those are small expressions. And in the next class, I will do a recap of that. Okay,
All right, ma'am. Thank you.
fine.
Hello, ma'am. Darshit John speaking here.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, uh, I am also attending the Spanish class for the first time.
Okay. You can also do the same thing because the presentation is on the Amazon, sorry, on your MS Teams. You can go and look at the presentation, just go through it, and then next class I will do a recap. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, Aman Verma speaking. Ma'am, I had a doubt about the attendance because it wasn't marked last time. Ma'am, you're muted.
Yes, someone tell me.
Ma'am, last time the attendance was not marked for the class, and it still
Mm-hmm.
shows that I was absent in that class, whereas I was present.
Last
Yes, ma'am.
week or before
La-
that, because last week we did not have our Spanish class.
Ma'am, last to
Last
last,
week the class,
the first
last to
lecture.
last, you were marked. The first lecture you were marked
Yes,
absent.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. At the end of the class, when I take the attendance, then we at the end of the class when we do the attendance at that time, just remind me. I'll check it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then let's just start our class. 1 second, I'm just opening the presentation.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Samarth here. I had a
Good afternoon,
question.
Samarth.
So, for
Hmm.
the international CSE students, the classes for Spanish are being held for the first time.
Hmm.
So, we'll be marked present from today, or we have been marked absent from the previous classes.
This is your first class that you're attending?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for the last class, today when I check the list, I'll see if your name is appearing there. If it is there, then for the last class also I'll mark you present. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
because of course your classes have started from today, so that won't be an issue. I'll mark your attendance for the last class as well, but let me check first.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine then.
Ma'am, was there a
We're going to
class
start.
yesterday too?
No,
Hello.
not yesterday.
Okay, so I
No,
just got
yesterday we
added.
did not have a class.
Okay, so I just got added today in this section 7. So is this the first class or second class of this
This is the
subject?
second class. This is the second class.
Because my classes started from today only.
Okay. I know there are a lot of students who've been enrolling right now. So don't worry about your attendance. If you've had any old class, I will give you that attendance. And whatever we did in the previous class, the presentation is up there on the MS Teams. Go watch that, read about it. Then next class I will do a recap. Okay.
Okay.
Fine then, almost everybody is here now. I am going to start the class. Today we are going to do the alphabets. Okay, abecedario or los alfabetos is what the alphabets are called in Spanish. Okay, I'm going to share the presentation here. Just a second. This presentation has been uploaded on your Amazon. So after the class, you can go and see that. And
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Ma'am, some students are waiting in the lobby to join the class. Kindly add them.
I have already added the students who are waiting in the lobby.
Ma'am, still there are some students.
Beta, on my screen, those who all were there, I have already added them. There's no pending student.
Ma'am, also there's someone removing again and again. Ma'am, can you please run a check through that?
Ma'am, please
Beta,
make
I have
all
already checked. I have already made you all attendees. This time, I don't think anybody can remove you from
You
this.
need to make yourself
Ma'am,
presenter
I
so that
don't
only
see
you have
it.
the permission to
Everybody's...
remove other people.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we all presenters.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are muted.
If we right click from the right click any participant, then we get the option to remove.
Ma'am, you are muted, right?
You are muted.
Ma'am, are we audible?
Hello.
Ma'am, can you please make
Hello.
yourself as the presenter and others attendees because somebody is doing sets here.
Just give me a second. I'll do that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the last class, we weren't able to complete the last two words. So could you please continue with that?
In the last class, we did not complete the whole expressions.
No, ma'am. The last two words were left. So
No, ma'am.
yes,
Okay.
yes, they were.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They were.
Ma'am did not complete it. Hello.
Okay. Fine. I've understood.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Now can you add Sumaira Rahman?
In the group?
Yes, in the team. Sumaira Rahman.
Beta, I have sent the link and the code on the chat box. Can you please send that to her? Because if I keep doing this, then
All right, okay, no problem.
you know the class is almost it's 1:23. So talking about the expressions that you're asking me to do, the last one that we hadn't, we'll do that in the next class when we do a recap of the starting from the beginning for the new students also. Otherwise, then it would create a confusion for them also because they won't know the words that were done above. So we'll do that in the next class. For today, we'll do the alphabets and the accents and sounds. Okay. I think now I have made everybody the attendee. So sorry. Yeah, I've made everybody the attendee. Now I think this problem should not arise.
Ma'am, there are still 55
Ma'am, still
presenters.
55 people are the presenters, ma'am.
55 are still the presenters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is this
Yes, ma'am.
happening?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Because
even
from
we can make.
where?
Ma'am,
Huh?
I'm saying even we can make
Tell
the
me,
other
tell me.
attendees. So can we do that?
Can you do that? If you can, then please.
I'm saying even we have to actually make people attendees. So even we should like make other attendees now.
If you can do it, then please do that. If you can.
Ma'am, you just choose one person, make him a presenter. He will make everybody attendee.
Okay, okay. 1 second. I'll just do that. Tell me your name. I'll choose your name only from the list here.
Chandan. Chandan.
Chandan, you're not the presenter.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking them make an.
Sure.
Ma'am, I'll do it. I'm making everyone an attendee right now.
Okay, fine. Please do that. Okay, till the time I'm going to share the screen. Now back to work. Okay, so now this is the presentation that we have. El abecedario is what are called alphabets in Spanish. Okay, el abecedario. And it is also called los alfabetos. Okay, we either call it el abecedario or we call it los alfabetos. Okay, I'll write it down when we in the next PDF that I'm going to show you. So this is basically the question is ¿Qué contiene el abecedario? That how many letters or how many alphabets does the abecedario have? So the abecedario, el abecedario contiene 24 consonantes. That means there are 24 consonants and there are 5 vowels. Okay. These are the consonants. All of these B, C, C, CH. There are a few extra alphabets that do not exist in the English language that are there in the Spanish language. Okay. So these are the consonants and these are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U, 5 vowels that they have. Okay. And after this is the list of the vocabulary from A to Z. There are 2 lists that I've given. After we do the alphabets, you can go through this list at home and you can practice from this. But just let me put the other one.
Hello, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is this the first class of the Spanish language?
No, this is the second class. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you start with the very first class? It's not understood.
Ma'am, this is my first class. I changed my actually foreign language. So can you add
Guys,
me
I
to this?
just told you, you're already there on the Teams, no? That is why you're in the class.
No, ma'am, I attended it
Or
through
did you
the
join
link.
from the? You
Ma'am,
attended it through the link. Okay, at
we
the.
got admission 2 to 3 days ago only.
Okay, okay. At the end of the class, when we have our attendance, you can tell me, then I will add you. Okay.
Sure.
Now listen to me very carefully. The students who have their first class, do not worry. In the last class, we did expressions. Okay. How to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, bye, hello, all of these expressions in Spanish. Okay. So that I'm going to repeat in the next class. Next week, I'm going to repeat that. Okay, and today we're going to start with alphabet. So it's basically like a first class only. So do not worry, you've not missed anything. We'll repeat it in the next class. Okay, there are anyways 2 expressions are left, which I could not do with the students that were there in the last class. So I'm going to repeat that again. So you can pay attention then and we'll revise. So do not worry. So today we start with abecedario.
Where we can find the document or PDFs that you are using
It is
in
on
this.
the this one is uploaded on your MS Teams on the chat. It is uploaded there under notes and material.
Okay.
Okay. When I'll add you to the Teams, if you're not added here, when I'll add you to the Teams, you can search, then you will find it there on the chat attached. Okay. Okay, fine. Then we start with abecedario. Okay. Now, there are extra letters in the Spanish language. First of all, 2-3 extra letters are there that I'm going to tell you. Second thing, Spanish is a phonetic language, 100% phonetic language. Whatever sound each and every alphabet makes, if you pronounce a word, if you put the same sound there, your pronunciation will be exactly correct. So you do not have to mold the sounds, but what sounds I'm telling you right now, you'll have to say it or pronounce it in the exact same manner. Okay. And I'm just going to start. One second. Now, get one thing clear in your head that like in the English language, we write A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. But here, this A, B, C, D that is given, this A, B, C, D, this is given here because so that you could have a reference and you could compare it from the English alphabets, okay? So that you could have a view and you could compare it with the English alphabets, that what is the English A or an English A called in Spanish. Okay, otherwise this A, B, C, D, this whole list, this does not exist in the Spanish language. Okay, what we say is A, B, C, D, E, F, A, K, H, E. This is what is written while you write your alphabets in Spanish. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F is only for your reference, so that because that is the language that we've been learning in our country, so that you could have a comparison, you could draw a comparison between the two. That is why it is given. So get this thing out of your head, that this A, B, C, D, the English letters are not valid in your Spanish language. Fine. Now we'll start. So the first letter A. Okay, this is the capital, this is small. The letters written below are all given in the small letters, but do not worry, if it's a capital letter, we write it capital in the capital way, and if it's a small letter, then you'll write it like a small letter. Fine. Now the first letter is A. Okay. Now the way we write A is like this. Okay, a normal A, that is in English also. But the sound of the letter A will be A. Okay, Hindi A. Now I'm going to write the Hindi alphabets here so that you get the sounds accurately, so that you understand the sounds accurately. Okay, so I'm going to write the Hindi alphabets. Now, A is the letter, when you write it, you'll write A. But the sound of the letter A will be A. Okay, A will be the sound of the letter A. Fine. Then comes B. When you write B, you write it as Bay. But the sound, this will be like this, Bay. Okay. But the sound, the root sound of a word will be B only, B. For an example, this word, barco. Okay. Barco is a word which means a boat in Spanish. Okay. A boat is called a barco. Okay. Now, the sound of the letter B is Bay. It is Bay. But when you pronounce this word barco, you will not say Bearco, you will say barco. Okay, you will say barco. You will not say Bearco. Because the root sound of the letter B will be B. B will be the root sound. Similarly for A will be the root sound. Okay. So moving on to the next one, the letter C. Now C is, just a second, C is say. Say. Okay, say. And it is written as CE. But again, the root sound will be sir. Okay, sir. Now the letter C, this letter and the letter G. Both of these letters, they pronounce a special sound. Okay, they give out a special sound when they are put together in a word with a vowel. Okay, so what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So whenever C is put together with a vowel, it has a different sound. When C is put together with E, it has a different sound. When C is put together with I, it has a different sound. With O, it has a different sound. With U, it has a different sound. Same is the case with the alphabet G. When you put it together with A, it will have a different sound. With I, different. E, different. So these two are special sounds. They create special sounds. So this I'm going to tell you at the end. Okay. So now talking about the extra letters that are there in the Spanish language. Okay. So now after C, there is an extra letter which is CH. You can just note this down because it's not there in this PDF. CH is the extra letter. Okay. Now the sound for this is che. Okay. Che is the sound. Che. But the root sound will be ch. Ch. Okay. So a word like chaqueta. Chaqueta means a jacket. Like in English we call it a jacket. In Spanish we call it a chaqueta. So that word can be, written with these alphabets C and H. Okay. Now coming to the next one, D. Now the sound of D is the. Remember one thing, the sound of D will be the and not the. In the Spanish language, the the sound does not exist. It does not exist only. Wherever you see a word starting with the letter D, you will always use the sound. The. Okay, this the sound and not the the sound. This does not exist. So this DE becomes they. Okay, it becomes they. They. Fine. Then E. Now this letter E is pronounced as the English A. E, the sound of E will be A. And it is written like E only. It is written as E only, but the sound is English A. Then the F. F is pronounced as FA. EFE is how it is written. And the pronunciation is FA, like FA, like this. Okay, FA. And the root sound of the word will be fur only. The root sound will be fur. So any word starting with the letter F, you will not say, for example, I'll give you an example here. For example, this word falda. Okay. Can you see the word on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
I don't know what is wrong.
Ma'am,
Okay,
now it's
yeah,
visible.
yeah,
Now it's
Now
yeah,
it's
yeah.
Now
we
it's
can see.
visible.
It's available.
Falda.
Okay.
Falda.
So falda in Spanish, it means skirt. Okay. So the sound of the letter F is FA. Okay, the sound is FA. तो जब आप उसको लिखोगे, आप उसको बोलोगे FA. लेकिन अगर कोई word F से start होता है, that doesn't mean you will pronounce it as FA alda. FA alda. नहीं, that is incorrect. Because the root sound of that letter is fur only. So you will pronounce it as falda only. Okay, you'll pronounce it as falda only. Fine. Then G. Now the sound of this letter G is kh. Kh is the sound. Okay, so GE will be K. K. Okay, because kh की sound आती है, घे नहीं होगा, खे होगा. Okay, now H is, I told you in the last class, any word starting with the letter H in Spanish, only starting. If the starting letter is the letter H, then the letter H will be silent. Okay. If the letter H comes in the middle of a word, then H will be pronounced. But if it's at the beginning of a word, then H will be silent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So So this is ache. Ache. Okay, because H is silent, so you pronounce the next letter accompanying it. A-C-H-A, ache. Okay. Then I. Now I is written as I, but the pronunciation of the I is the English E. E. Like the pronunciation of E was the English A, same way the pronunciation of the letter I is the English E. Fine. Then moving on to the next letter, J. Now J-O-T-A. The sound for the letter J is again K. Okay, it is K. So J-O-T-A will be Khota and not Jota. Okay, Khota. Then K is Ka. Okay, K is Ka. And the root sound will be K. Okay, K is written as Ka. L is written as L-A, E-L-E-L-A. Okay, and like this, L-A. But L will be the root sound. M is written as M-A, like M-A. It is pronounced as M-A. L-A, M-A. Okay, M will be the root sound. N is pronounced as N-A, N-A. And N will be the root sound. Yes?
Ma'am, what is the difference between G and J? Ma'am, their sounds.
There is, yes, I'll tell you. J has the sound for K. Okay? But G, I told you, is a special sound. Is a alphabet that creates special sounds. So G, when put together with different vowels, it will also take out the sound of G and not only K. So words starting with G could have the sound of G as well and K, both. But as compared to J, J will only pronounce the sound of K. Any word starting with J, it will only pronounce the sound of K. But G will also have words that will be pronounced with G only, with the G sound. Okay, that I'm going to tell you at the end of the class, at the end of this, when we do these alphabets, that what all sounds do G and the letter C they create. Okay, and one more information, aage abhi there are a lot of alphabets that have the same sound, like S and Z, both make the S sound. Both of them have the S sound. But how do you differentiate? You differentiate with the words, with the vocabularies that you have, with what you write. Okay, and you learn them, that this word starts with S and has the sound of sir, and this word starts with Z but has the sound of sir. So there is not much difference that you can draw a conclusion out of both of them, because they are words actually which will be pronounced in the same, with the same sound, but only different alphabets are used. So that those words, those alphabets, you'll have to learn them. Okay. Then, okay, one more thing. After this L, there is a special, there is another extra alphabet, like the Ch. There's another extra alphabet. This is L, which is LA. The other alphabet is double L. Okay, you can note this down. I'll just rub this so there's a little space. Okay, now this double L is written as A. Now double L has two kinds of sounds. Okay, one is the Y sound, the Hindi Y sound, and the second one is the J sound. I hope I'm writing this correctly. J. Okay, so either you call it AJ or you call it AA. That is up to you. Both of them are correct. Okay. So double L takes the sound of Y or J. Just remember that. Okay, that is an extra letter. We have done two extra letters. One is CH and one is double L till now. Okay. Then comes the next one, Enya. Okay. So Enya is N with an accent. Accent is called a tilde in Spanish. Okay, the pronunciation is Enya, but it is written Enya. This is how it is written, and the pronunciation is Enya. Okay, then O is simplest. It's written as O. It's pronounced as O. Okay, P is pay. It is written like this, and pay. But the root sound is P. P is a root sound. Okay. Then Q, I think
Ma'am,
this
can
is
you
not
repeat?
visible.
Ma'am, can you
Which
repeat
one?
that NA?
This one,
Ma'am,
the
please
special.
repeat this
Yes, ma'am.
special character N.
Yes, ma'am.
The simple N is NA. NA. Okay, NA. But this one is Enya. Enya. You say it as Enya. Okay, Enya. So the word like I'll just write it here. This word Espanol. This means Spanish, right? Espanol, or this word España. España means Spain and Espanol means Spanish. ठीक है, ये समझ आया? इस तरीके से इसकी साउंड आएगी, Espanol, España, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then O is O only, P is pay, the root sound is per. Q is written as CU, Q. Q is how it is written, and the root sound that comes is K. K. Okay. Now I'm going to just say this once again from the beginning. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, K, H, I, Khota, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q. Right? Then we come to the next one. Okay. R. Now R is written as ERE and it's pronounced as array. Array. Okay, array. But the root sound is R. R will be the root sound. Okay. Now there is an extra letter after this, which is the double R. Okay. Now the double R is written like this. E-double-R-E. Here it is with the single R. Here it is with double R. Okay. Now when you pronounce this array, you say, you'll have to roll your tongue and then say this. Wherever you see a double R or a single R, you'll have to roll your tongue and say array. Array. Okay. The one with the single R will be array. Array. And this will be array. Array. Okay. Then essay. S is essay. The root sound will be sir. It will be written as ESC, essay. Like this. Essay. The root sound will be sir. Now comes T. T, the root sound is the. Again, like we have D, D sound, the sound does not exist in Spanish. Similarly, for T, the T sound does not exist. For D, we use the, and for T, we use the. Okay, the T sound. So this is te, and not te. Okay. Then U is U, and it is written as U only. This V is uve. इसके आगे ना U लगा लो. V और E से पहले put a U, and this one will be uve doble. Okay. Now if you could see, V is pronounced as uve, uve. But again the root sound will be va only, uve. Okay. But W, if you look at it carefully, there are two V's in this. When you make a W, there are two V's in it. So if a single V is called uve, double V will be called uve doble. Doble means double. Okay, uve doble. But for W, the root sound will be va only. Okay. Now X is called ekis. Ekis. Okay, ekis. And S will be the root sound. Sir की जो sound होगी, that will be the root sound. It will be written as ekis, but of course when you write a word with X, you will write it with X only. You will not write ekis. You will write X there. Okay. Y is called Y. Okay. Y is called Y. And Z is called Seta. Seta. Again, Z is the for the letter Z, the sound that we have is the S sound. Okay, I'll just write it here. S sound. Okay, and the letter Y in the Spanish, for the letter Y, the sound that will come is the E sound. Okay. When we pronounce this with E, but when you write a word, it will start with Y only, and the sound will be Y. Y will be the root sound.
Ma'am, how do
And
you
this
X?
Y,
Sorry,
how do
ma'am.
you
Pronounce X?
X is pronounced as Ekis.
Okay, ma'am.
Ekis. Okay. Now 2-3 things that I need to tell you. First of all, I'll just tell you the pronunciations of these letters once again. R, R, S, T, U, V, V doble, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, this letter Y, okay, this Y letter. Now, the sound of this letter Y in Spanish is E. Okay. If a word starts with the letter Y, then of course you'll use the Y sound. Okay. But why am I saying that Y is pronounced as E? Because the preposition and that we have in Spanish, okay, the and word that we have in Spanish, in English, in Spanish, it is called Y. Okay. So if I want to say I and my friend, so I will use I, and in place of and I will put this, and then I'll say my friend. Okay, so this Y acts as a and in the Spanish language. Okay, this is how we write it. When we pronounce it, the letter Y will be pronounced as E. Okay, so this will be I my friend, for an instance. I'm just saying that in English because you do not know how to say these words in Spanish till now. So I'm telling it to you in English. So this will be I my friend. Okay. Now I'm just going to erase this. Now tell me, out of these alphabets, any alphabet or sound that you want me to tell you? Any doubts in this?
Ma'am, please
Q, ma'am, Q.
please tell the sound of the alphabet K.
K.
Yes, ma'am.
The sound for K is, the root
Ka.
sound will be K. K will be the root sound. That means if a word starts with the letter K, K will be the root sound. But how we pronounce it? We pronounce it as Ka. Ka.
So like it's
Okay.
Kota, Ka, L-A-M-A-N-A. N-A.
Yes. Kota, Ka, L-A-M-A-N-A, N-E-A, O, P, U, R-A, R-A, S-A, T, U, V, V doble, X, Y, Z. And for the first line, this is A, B, C, C, D, A, F, A, K, H, E, Kota. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now the two, tell me.
ma'am, what is the root sound for the letter X?
For X, the root sound is sir. Sir.
Okay. What's
And
the
ma'am,
root sound for Q?
what's the root sound for Q? Yes.
For Q, it is K. K is the root sound.
So it's same for K and Q.
Yes, same for them.
And for J?
J, K.
And for double L?
I. For double L, it is
double
either
L.
Y, or for double L, it is either Y or it is Y.
Ma'am, I.
How we pronounce it, ma'am?
Ma'am, I.
What?
Ma'am,
How do we
Double L.
pronounce what?
I.
Pronounce as the English letter E. Am I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how will you pronounce double L?
Double L will be pronounced as ya and ja. Either ya or ja.
Ma'am,
And I is pronounced as the English letter E.
Ma'am, there are only three special characters, right?
See, there is one. Tell me. Che, then double L,
and double R, right?
double R, double L, Che, and Enya. 4 of them. Enya is already given here.
Okay.
Just those 4.
Ma'am, Y is also, we pronounce it, you have said that we have to pronounce it as E. And the letter I is also as E.
No. That E is only to be pronounced when, just let me just, stop sharing this screen. I'll just explain it to you in the video.
Ma'am, there is a student waiting in the lobby. He got disconnected due to a power cut. So can you
I
please?
will add him. 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, can you see my video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so look, like in English, we have the word and, right? And एक word होता है जब हम बोलते हैं I and my friend, okay? तो स्पेनिश में जो word and होता है, that is represented with the Y letter, okay? Y, और उस Y letter को हम and के लिए जब हम उसको pronounce करते हैं, we do not say Y, we say E. We call it E. I-E, my friend. Okay. But if you're talking about the Y in alphabets, Y हमें पता है कि English alphabets में एक word, एक letter होता है Y. But according to them, Y की क्या pronunciation होती है? Igriega, right? So according to them, they do not know what Y is. They know Igriega. ठीक है? तो Igriega है, but जब हम Y से कोई वर्ड लिखेंगे तो य की ही साउंड आएगी. Okay? Whenever we write a letter, we write an alphabet using the letter Y, then य की ही साउंड आएगी हमेशा. But when you write it in the when you start pronouncing it, then you say it igriega only while we do the alphabets. उसके अलावा ये sounds कहीं use नहीं होते. Okay?
So, ma'am, the root sound of Y is Y.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Fine.
When we use Y as so then
As?
we say Y or we say as and. You said
No,
we use Y.
no. When we use it, in place of and, no. When we use it as and, then we say E. Then the sound that we use is E. But जब आप Y से कोई word लिखोगे तो आप य की sound निकालोगे. जब आप उसको बोलना है आपको. But जब and के लिए use होगा, that time you will call it E only. Suppose yo, e, mi, amigo is what is we say I and my friend. I is yo in Spanish. ठीक है, तो yo. तो य की sound ही आएगी जब मैं Y से कोई word लिखूंगी. लेकिन E अगर मुझे बोलना है, जब मैं Y को and की तरह यूज करूंगी तो मैं उसी Y को E बोलूंगी. ठीक है? Any other thing you want to ask?
Ma'am, I've seen O with a tilde on the top. So what is that sound like?
You're yourself telling that it's an O with a tilde. It's an accent. O with a dash or any other vowel with a dash on the top, on the right hand side, there's a slanting dash. That's an accent. The accents are always put on vowels, okay? And whenever an accent is placed on a vowel, when you pronounce that word, you will put a little stress on that vowel while you pronounce it. Okay? आप उसमें थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस दोगे और फिर बोलोगे.
Okay, thank you.
Fine.
अब तो चावल चढ़ाएंगे, दाल चढ़ाएंगे, चावल दाल चोखा
Please
खाएंगे.
mute your mics.
धन्यवाद. रजौरी गार्डन में राम के छोले भटूरे, वो भी उसकी दुकान के पास. थोड़े प्याज, हरी चटनी और गाजर और मिर्च.
Please mute your mic, whosoever is Shreyas, I think it's yours.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what was the special letter for H?
H is always silent in Spanish language whenever H comes at the beginning of a word. अगर शुरू में आता है जैसे HOLA is ओला, हेलो को हम ओला बोलते हैं, तो H जब शुरुआत में आता है तो साइलेंट होता है, बीच में आता है H तो वो उसको हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Then it's almost time. I'm just going to mark your attendance. Okay. Just attend to your roll call. Simi Saha.
Present,
Simi
ma'am.
Saha.
Present, ma'am.
Sumit Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Sumit Singh. Okay. Vishnu Teja. Vishnu Teja.
Ma'am.
Okay. Sachin Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rishi Garg. Rishi Garg.
Present, ma'am.
Abhijit Kumar. Abhijit. Angad Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Drishti Sharma. Drishti Sharma.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavesh. Bhavesh.
Present, ma'am.
Murtaza. Please mute your mic.
Present, ma'am.
Murtaza. Okay. Dhruv Singhal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yuvraj Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Hasin Drabu.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Devyanshi Bansal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ashita Chauhan. Ashita
Present,
Chauhan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Harsh.
Ma'am, Harsh what? Ma'am, Harsh what?
Only Harsh. There's no
Yes,
last
ma'am.
name here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Harsh.
Bhumanyu Agarwal. Bhumanyu Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Verma. Okay. Harsh Verma.
Harsh Verma, present.
Harsh Verma. Okay. Yashang Goyal. Yashang.
Present, ma'am. Those who have been
Okay.
marked.
Present, Yashang.
Beta, please at the end of the class, let me just complete the attendance. Then you can tell me. Basil D.
Ma'am, Yashang Goyal present.
हाँ यशांक आपको मार्क कर दिया मैंने.
Okay,
सोहम.
Present, ma'am.
Kundan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ram Pandey.
As you can see, PhonePe is right now running on my device. This is because guys, my device is not jailbroken. So guys, let me
Siddharth.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya Vikram.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Krishna. Please, everybody, put your mics on mute unless and until your name is called.
Present,
Krishna.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Ishika Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Nitin Chauhan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Nitin Chauhan is present.
Okay. Sonvi Tyagi.
Present, ma'am.
Janya Verma.
Present.
Nishant.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Devika Goyal.
Present, ma'am.
Sanskriti. Okay. Sanskriti Bora.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Pushkin.
Ma'am.
Nikhil Ranjan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Pushkin is
Anya
present.
Joshi. हाँ
Ma'am,
पुष्किन
Nikhil is
निखिल
present.
दोनों कर दिया. Anya Joshi.
Present,
Anya.
ma'am.
Okay. Manan Utsav.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Lakshjeet. Lakshajit,
Present, ma'am. Lakshajit present.
Sahil Jain.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, Sahil. Adrian. Adrian.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shivansh Sharma. Shivansh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Gauri. Gauri Dhingra.
Ma'am, Gauri present.
Ma'am, can we leave now?
No, not before 2:10. Aditya Kumar. Aditya Kumar.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Shivam Kashyap.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Parth Bansal.
Present, ma'am.
Parth. Dakshit Chopra. Dakshit. Shivansh Soni.
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh Soni. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Shivansh. Shreyas.
Present, ma'am.
Aman Verma. Aman.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Chandan Kumar. Chandan Kumar.
Present.
Kumar
Surya.
is present.
Suryansh.
Chandan Kumar
Suryansh
present.
Tripathi. Okay, Chandan.
Present,
Suryansh
ma'am.
Tripathi. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Aryaman Sharma. समझ गई. Aryaman Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Naman Tyagi. Naman
Present,
Tyagi.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Sahil Singh. Sahil
Present, ma'am.
Singh. Rishabh Jain. Okay. Rishabh
Present, ma'am.
Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Hardik Gulati. Okay. Hardik Gulati.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Karan. Okay. Karan Man Singh.
Ma'am, you
Present.
didn't call my
Karan.
name.
Ma'am, Karan Mansingh is present.
Okay. Vishrut Agarwal. Vishrut.
Present, ma'am.
Ashmita. Asmita.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vidhi. Vidhi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sudiksha Sharma. Sudiksha.
Present, ma'am.
Arya. Okay. Arya Bali. Arya Bali.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ritesh. Ritesh.
Ma'am,
Gunjan
present.
Tiwari.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ritesh Gunjan present. Meenakshi. Meenakshi. Any questions, please, after the attendance? Meenakshi.
Present, ma'am.
Vinayak. Vinayak.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Vidhi. Vidhi Bhandari.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prashant Pandey. Prashant.
Yes. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammed Ahmad. Mohammed Ahmad.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Ansh Mittal. Ansh Mittal. Ansh.
Present, ma'am.
Shantanu Agarwal. Okay. Shantanu
Present,
Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ricky. Ricky.
Yes, ma'am. Present. Present, ma'am.
Anuroop. Anuroop.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Pawan Singh. Pawan
Present,
Singh.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Darshit Chauhan. Okay. Darshit Chauhan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Amant. Sorry. Amanat. Amanat. Shri Agarwal. Shri Agarwal. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. You are
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
Okay. Rashi is not there. Divyanshu Raj. Divyanshu.
Absent.
Okay. Meghna. Meghna.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ojaswin. Yes.
Ma'am, did you by chance call my name Khushi Goyal?
नहीं बेटा, अभी नहीं बोला मैंने. And if I would have called, आप सुनो ना, मैं तो 2-3 बार ही बोल रही हूँ नाम को.
No, ma'am, there was a network connection.
अभी end में I'll just check. ओजस्विन, तनु, समर्थ.
Present, ma'am.
समर्थ. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Mehak is also not there. Pratikshit.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prateek Kumar. Amit Rawat.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Santosh Kumari.
Present, ma'am.
Santosh. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Anukriti Nithani. Anukriti.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ayush. Sakshi.
Present,
Okay. Suryansh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ayushi Shal.
What? Yes, present, ma'am.
Ayushi Shal. Okay.
Ayushi Shah,
It's
yes.
two.
present, ma'am.
Okay. It's 2:10. Those who have had their attendance, they can go. Only a few names are left. I'm just completing this and then you can leave. Rest of you who
Thank you,
had their
ma'am.
attendances, you can leave.
Ma'am,
Welcome.
Dakshit Chopra is
Thank you,
Riya.
ma'am.
he is
Thank
unable
you,
to
ma'am.
on his mic.
Riya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome.
Ma'am, Dakshit Chopra is present.
रिया एस
Thank you,
श्रीवास्तव.
ma'am.
एक सेकंड बेटा, मेरे को एंड में बताना प्लीज. बस 2 मिनट नाम रह गए थोड़े से. अश्विन कुमार. अंजुल गुप्ता.
Yes, ma'am.
विश्वजीत सिंह.
Ma'am,
प्रेजेंट. ओके.
Vijit present, ma'am. Vijit present.
उदित. खुशी गोयल. खुशी मैंने आपको कर दिया प्रेजेंट. उदय आशीष.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. अर्चित गुप्ता.
Present, ma'am. Present.
ओके. सुमेरा रहमान.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. संकल्प कुमार.
Present, ma'am.
Tejas is here. Okay, fine. Now tell me, what were you saying? Now tell me.
Ma'am, Ram Pandey, did you mark me present?
Attendance, ma'am. Priyaratnam.
Tejas present.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, could you
Tejas, I
please
marked
take
you
the wrong
present.
absentees? Priyaratnam, ma'am.
Mark Sankalp as present.
Ma'am, Mark Dakshit as
Yes,
present.
Sankalp, I've marked you.
Ma'am, Ram Pandey, have you marked me present?
Yes.
Ma'am, Priyaratnam.
Priyaratnam. 1 second. Priyaratnam. Yes, I've marked you present.
Ma'am,
And tell me.
Dakshit
Ma'am,
Chopra.
Drishti Sharma.
Dakshit and Drishti. 1 second.
Ma'am, Siddharth Tuli.
Dakshit. एक सेकंड. Dakshit present. Drishti present. And
Sharma.
Siddharth.
Ma'am, Gauri Dhingra.
Ma'am, Siddharth Tuli.
Ma'am.
एक मिनट. Siddharth. Yes, Siddharth present. And
Ma'am, Gauri Dhingra.
Ma'am, Vishnu Teja.
Gauri. Yes, Gauri. And
Ma'am, Vishnu Teja.
Vishnu.
Yes, ma'am. Vishnu Teja. Karumanchi Vishnu Teja.
Vishnu. 1 minute. हाँ, I've marked you.
Ma'am, Riya S. Srivastav.
Yes, रिया आपको मार्क कर दिया था मैंने.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I just got it. Hello?
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Aman.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
I told you about that I was not marked present for the previous class. Can you please check that?
Acha, Aman, na, ek minute. Rest of you can disconnect your calls. You can go for your classes.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, this is Anjul Gupta. This is my first class.
So I need to add you. You were added through the link. You joined the team through the link. Hello.
So I might be marked absent in the last class.
Just a minute. I'm just checking the answer.
Ma'am, in class there are two Suryansh. So can you tell me whose name is first and who's second?
एक सेकेंड बेटा, अब ना मैंने सबमिट कर ही दिया अमेज़न पर, अब आप चेक कर लो, आपको वहां पे दिख ही जाएगा.
Ma'am, can you check my name? I just master got it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my first class and I joined through the link. So can you add me to the teams?
Tell me your name.
Sumaira Rahman.
Those who have joined through the link, please tell me your names once again. Sumaira. Okay, and anybody else?
Ma'am, Ashwin.
Anybody else who joined?
Ashwin.
Ashwin. Okay, and who else? None of them? Okay, you two, I'll add you to the group. The students who had their first class today, the last class attendance, I will mark it on Amazon. You can check it in the evening. Okay, any other thing apart from this? और एक student अभी, अमन आपकी last class की attendance है?
Yes, ma'am. I was not marked
Okay,
present.
मैं अभी, okay, I will just check that. Fine. Anything else? Any other question?
Ma'am, in my Amazon today, the class was not being shown. Like
Beta,
I know
that
it was
you ask
there,
the
but it was
department.
not shown. Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, where can
MS Team पे तो मैं अपडेट कर ही देती हूँ, बट आप अपने ना डिपार्टमेंट से भी एक बार ये बात कर लो कि कहाँ पे दिखता है अटेंडेंस और कहाँ पे वो आती है टाइम टेबल, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, where can I contact you if it does not show the
बेटा,
attendance?
my email ID is there on the MS Teams under the faculty section. You can
Ma'am,
just mail me.
I mailed you regarding the same.
For your attendance, Aman?
Yes, ma'am. I mailed you.
अच्छा, मैंने शायद I must have been busy तो मैंने देखा नहीं होगा. Otherwise, I replied to you on the mail only. Don't worry.
Okay,
मैं भी check कर लेती हूँ attendance आपकी.
Sure,
ठीक है?
ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, then bye-bye. I'll see you in the next class.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.